We knew we had to do something on our property where we could teach from it. And the kids were fascinated with our drain in the middle of our playground. And they were laying there every day and they were fascinated by the movement of the water. This did not look anything like this. This was a sea of asphalt, and we put in green infrastructure and a bioswale and water trees. There's so many lessons on our playground. We have the Menominee River, the Kinnickinnick, and the Milwaukee River. And then from the harbor, the water all goes into Lake Michigan, and all that's mirrored in the permeable surface. All of our water is led to the bioswale. Since we've done so, we have not flooded. Our basement has not flooded. So we talk about 43,000 gallons of water. We actually bring in gallons and we show the children and how many gallons that takes. And we talk about school buses. That's like 5 school buses of water. I just love that our little impact here is gonna, when these kids graduate, from high school, that they will hopefully have the same excitement about water as we do.